By the end of this video, you'll have a fully customized menu. Let's get started. At this point, you've got some pages and a post published, you've selected a new theme, and further modified the presentation of your site with the Live Customizer. The next important step to customize your site is to create a custom menu. If you've been following along, you'll already have the About and Contact pages listed in the primary menu in alphabetical order. Most themes will add your pages to the menu by default, but it's always best to create your own custom menu. Here's how to do that. When viewing your site, you can click on the Customize link in the admin toolbar to go directly to the Live Customizer. Once inside, click on the Menus section. Start by clicking the Create New Menu button to create a new menu draft. You can name it something like Primary to make it clear it's your main menu. Below, you'll see a list of available menu locations. The number of menu locations and where they show up on your site depends entirely on the theme you have selected. Apex has one menu called the Primary menu, and it shows up here. Most themes have 1 to 3 menus, with the footer and a second header menu being common locations. Check off the primary box to select that location for your menu and click Next. You'll see the menu disappear in the preview, and that's because the custom menu you've assigned there has no menu items. Click the Add Items button and you'll see this new panel appear. The Pages section is open by default, but you can add posts, categories, tags, or entirely custom links to the menu as well. In the Pages section, click on the About page to add it to the menu, and then click on Contact to add it too. WordPress includes a custom link here, which is kind of strange, but it's a quick and convenient way to add a link to your homepage, so go ahead and click on that too. Now that you've got a few menu items, click the Add Items button again to close it and hit Publish to save your changes. With a custom menu, you can remove pages that you don't want included in your menu, and you can add links to other types of content like posts and categories. Another benefit is that you can drag and drop the menu items to reorder them. Click and hold on the homepage menu item now and drag it into the first position. You'll see the site preview updates right away. Additionally, you can drag and drop menu items to create submenu items. For instance, I can move the Contact menu item to the right to indent it and make it a submenu item of About. If I hover over About in the preview, you can see that Contact now shows up as a submenu item. The last benefit of creating a custom menu is that you can change the menu item labels. For instance, if I click on the Contact menu item, I can update it to say, Contact Me. Navigation labels are mainly used when you want the page title to be different from the menu item text. Those are the basics of menu creation in WordPress, but before we move on, I want to make sure that you understand how to make smart use of your menus. So here are a few rules to go by. For a blog, you can do well with a single menu linking to your posts and most important pages. The homepage normally comes first and the contact page last. For a news or magazine website, you'll want 2 menus. The most prominent menu should list links to all of your post categories to help visitors sort through your content. The secondary menu should be less prominent and link to your foundational pages. For all websites, you can include links to your most important pages as well as the privacy policy and terms of service in the footer of the site. And one quick design tip, menu items tend to look best when they're just one word long, so try to avoid creating menu items with 2 or more words in them. That will do it for the menu tutorial. Now let's move on to widgets and sidebars. You're going to learn a lot more about content creation, so I hope you're excited, and I'll see you in the next video.